The next important built-in function is input. This input function is used to receive the input from the user. This can be specified in two different ways. Either you can give simply input of, or within bracket you can pass the argument to be displayed in the screen. Now let us try giving the input function with argument and without argument. I am giving input of without argument. Input of is used to receive the input from the user. The input received should be assigned to a variable for further process. So I am assigning that to a variable. I am going to receive name and location of the user. I am assigning to the variable name the first input. Location is the variable to receive the second input. Here I am giving input. Within bracket I am mentioning what the user wants to type. The content given here as the argument will be displayed in the screen. Enter your location. When I execute it, in the output screen you can see that cursor is blinking. It is waiting for the user's input. I am typing the name. Then it is asking us enter your location. Since we have passed argument in the input of function in the second example, it is showing it in the output screen. Now type the location. The input typed by the user or received, and it is assigned to the variables name and location. If suppose you want to display it back to the user, means see after receiving, in print function you have to display. See, I want the output as RU, the person's name coming from location. So this is the format I want to have the output. Within single quote the static values RU. I can use placeholders now. So I am giving placeholder question mark and then coming from location I want to display. So give the second placeholder dot format of within bracket. So in the first placeholder it is replaced with the person's name, which is in the variable name, comma. Second placeholder is to be replaced with the location. It is in the variable location. So let us see how it is executed. First it is asking for name. I am giving it as Maya. Enter your location. I am giving it as Tamil Nadu. See, you can see in the output RU, the person's name is displayed and coming from the location is given. Here we will see an example program to add two numbers. The algorithm to add two numbers is first receive first number from the user and then receive second number, and then you have to add the numbers, then you have to display the result. This is the steps to be followed to add two numbers. Let us receive the first and second number from the user. I am going to have the variable name as A. Since you are going to receive the input from the user, give input function input, enter first number, then B equal to input, enter second number. Third is you have to add the numbers. So to the variable I am adding A plus B, and to display the result it is print function, print within single quotes result is. So we know that to combine message and a value you have to use either comma or plus. Here I am using comma and value is in the variable C. Let us execute it. Since input function is given with the argument that is enter first number, it is asking for the first number. So let me give the number as 2. Enter the second number, I am giving it as 3. Here you can see the result as 2, 3. It is not added here because as like Java, Python also receives the input from the user in string format only. In order to add the numbers, we have to convert that string to integer, only then it will be added here. Already we have seen about type conversion. So the syntax to type conversion is int within bracket you have to mention the string to be converted. Here the string to be converted is input enter the first number. So this is the line which receives the string input from the user. So give this entire thing inside the int function. Int, open the bracket and close the bracket at last. Similarly convert the second input also to integer. Int of input enter the second number. Now let us again execute it. Enter the first number. Again I am giving it as 2 itself. second number 3. Now you can see result is 5. The numbers are added. So keep it in mind that whatever input you are giving in the user screen, those inputs will be received as string data type only. Based on the process we are going to do inside the program, you can convert it to other data types like this. Hope it is clear to you.